Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to pay with Visa gift card on Pandabuy. So let's get into the video. So open up Pandabuy and then log into your account. If you have an account, just log into your account, and then what you're going to do, you're going to simply add any item to your cart so that you can make a purchase. So just add it to your cart. So get to the checkout session. So for example, let me choose a random product here. I'll just add this to my cart. So once you've add stuff to your cart here, so what are you going to do? For example, let me add this. So I'll just choose this and then add it to my cart by now. Okay, so that's it. So I'm going to go and hit on submit order so that I can get to the checkout page. So I'll select this. Alright, so when you get to this page here, the checkout page here, so if you want to pay with your Visa gift card, simply under the payment option, simply select the Visa option here. You have the credit debit card option which includes Visa cards, so simply select that. So simply select that. Okay, so once I've selected that, what you're going to do, you can scroll down and hit on confirm pay. So when you get to confirm pay, on your next screen here, you'll be prompted to enter your card details. So here you're going to enter the details of your Visa gift card. So enter the details of your Visa card and then hit on pay, and that's it. So that's how you use Visa card on Pandabuy. It's pretty easy. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.